Hello, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to dye my hair rose red and I already bleached it yesterday, as you can see. I don't really want to dye it rose red, but the blue just won't go, so I think going a bit more of a red tone will cover it better. So yeah, we shall see how it goes. I'm all done. I just have to wait an hour or two to let it sit and then I can rinse it out. It is a few days later and this is how my hair turned out. It is very bright, but I wanted it to cover the blue I had under here and that worked, so I'm very happy with it. I hope you like how it turned out and thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!